Hi, it's time for another DIY project, and this time it's in my kitchen. I've been wanting to cover these, I guess it's called laminate countertops for a while. In my old house, I had granite that the sellers had already put in. This house is a newer home, but they didn't have any granite. And the peeling stick was ordered from Amazon. I will link it in the description box. And I actually just used the X-Acto knife and my hand to smooth it out. That little tool didn't do much for me, so I just smoothed it out with my hands. That's the bar section. And that is finished. Another angle. And this is where my microwave is kept. The only thing I have to do now is put everything back in its rightful place. Anything I don't need will be tossed out. Glad this is done. I like it. Thank you so kindly for watching. Peace.